So our purpose is basically to transform lives, and the beauty about interoperability is it basically removes friction for customers who are underserved, who do not have access to financial services, to be able to access that at a greater level. And I think one of the benefits of interoperability is it continues to make mobile money to be more ubiquitous. And I think that's a big plus, from where we stand. In terms of just helping for us, even as M-Pesa, to be able to increase our customer base from the 60 million customers that we serve across the continent in 8 markets. Secondly, if you look at a case study like Tanzania, where interoperability has worked really well. Initially, telcos, mobile money operators, getting into bilateral engagements to be able to allow flow of transactions and flow of value between their ecosystems, which has worked really well. And then over and above that, regulation has really come on board to be able to further reinforce that element of interoperability. So the benefits, I think, as you said, they are quite obvious in terms of increasing innovation across the ecosystem, enabling access for services across customers, regardless of the organization or the telco, the mobile operator. And I think that can only be a welcome move from where we stand, to be able to grow the pie, as we say, to be able to just increase financial access and financial inclusion.